guys, hope you're doing well. अभी बस दुर्गा पूजा खत्म हुआ है and I'm still very much in the festive season. So I thought I'm going to take some traditional things and turn them into something new. So today I'm going to make salted caramel murki. And अब दिवाली भी आ रहा है. This is going to be something so easy to make and something so delicious that it's going to fit in right into the festivities. So come on, let's get started. सॉल्टेड कैरमल मुर्की बनाने के लिए पहले हम एक कढ़ाई लेंगे जिसको हम हल्का सा गरम कर लेंगे एंड उसके अंदर हम 1 कप चीनी 1 कप ऑफ शुगर डाल देंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट इनटू अ नाइस गोल्डन कैरमल. मेक श्योर यू डू दिस ऑन अ नाइस लो फ्लेम ताकि जो चीनी है द शुगर शुड नॉट बर्न. I can see the sugar melting and soon it's going to turn nice and golden brown. Be very careful that this does not burn. एक बार ये हो जाए तो आप टेम्परेचर एकदम कम कर दीजिएगा एंड इसके अंदर हम करीब हाफ टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट डाल देंगे एंड मिक्स दैट राइट इन. After all, this is salted caramel murki. Oh, my caramel is nice and golden. Look at how beautiful it is. And now in this, I'm adding 5 cups of khoi to this, which is puffed rice. And very quickly, again on low flame, I'm going to make sure that it's nicely coated. I can never stir anything without spilling, so excuse me for that. This is one of my favorite things to eat as a child. मुझे याद है बचपन में मॉम बनाती थी मेरे लिए, बट वो नॉर्मल सफ़ेद चीनी का होता था, not caramel or salted caramel. And this is just gonna be like, you know, how we get popcorn, salted caramel popcorn in movies. That's exactly what this is gonna taste like. And it's as simple as this. And we'll make sure that each khoi is nicely coated with the caramel. And our salted caramel murki is ready. हम लोग एक नॉन-स्टिक ट्रे लेंगे and we're gonna put this there. Ooh, it's sticky, so be careful. And now we're just gonna let this cool down very nicely so that we can actually start eating it and enjoy it. मेरा मुर्की जो है वो तो बन चुका है. Now all I need to do is I need to just break them into tiny pieces and it is ready to eat. मैंने सारे मुर्की को तोड़ लिया है. All I need to do is I need to transfer this to a bowl and I'm ready to go enjoy my movie. Can't wait. And guys, do try this at home. It's such an amazing recipe because it's so simple to make and absolutely delicious. And when you do, please do tag me in the pictures and share them with me as well. Bye.